First, we're gonna go to settings. In the settings, choose connections, and first and foremost, make sure that the airplane mode is not enabled. Sometimes it can be enabled by accident, and we are not even aware of that. After that, let's go to Wi-Fi, and we can simply toggle off and on the Wi-Fi. Sometimes this simple reset helps as well in order to try to reconnect to our Wi-Fi. In addition to that, we can tap on this gear icon if you can find your connection over here in order to forget the network and try to reconnect. And in addition to finding the connection, actually if you cannot find the connection on this list, then you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and go to advanced settings, and over here in saved networks or in the manage networks section, you should also be able to find your network, and you can delete it from here in order to try to find it on this list. And last but not least, there is also the reset option. If we go to general management, then over here you can choose reset, and we have reset Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings. We can press this button to reset both. Unfortunately, we cannot separate it. But after resetting our Wi-Fi, we can go back to Wi-Fi settings and try to reconnect with our Wi-Fi network. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.